seeing you because Arjun is
There's going to be a fireside chat between Sandeep and Ramgopal Ramaji, and then the real fire no side. I can tell you that much. It's going to come in a short while. In the meanwhile, I would like to have the pleasure of a person who has walked more steps for this industry than any other person. Can I ask Ashish to say a few words? My friend.
First of all, hearty congratulations to all the members of Paga and IDBC for setting a new benchmark for Indian work. We had fabulous last 3 days with gaming. Let me tell you, today it's a very important day to recognize that the complete cinematic capital of India is truly Hyderabad. Because we have the largest film city in Hyderabad, we have the largest visual movies coming out of Hyderabad, we have the largest animation character producing out of Hyderabad, and we also have the largest gaming event that is in Hyderabad. So big kudos to Hyderabad. 3 years for Hyderabad. Repeat, hooray. And also great going India joy. We would like to see this as an international event as we grow. So please keep up the good work and hearty congratulations. Thank you so much.
So from last year we had the pleasure of launching Cinematic Expo. This year it is bigger, and we would like to get DG Ella to say a few words to you on behalf of Cinematic. And the lovely golden statue.
Thank you all. I see the enthusiasm of filmmakers and budding inspiring filmmakers. See here, coming here all the way. So thank you, Ashish sir and Sandeep, and it's a great pleasure to be here. So thank you, and I had a thought of bringing the technology to the outside because all the time we used to go to Bombay or use some other place. I dream to see here. So I actually had a first edition which was really great, and this is like a blast. Have a great time for the next session, which is going to be a 5-star session. Thank you.